In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Hostinger website. If you're looking to track your website traffic and make more strategic decisions based on data, then you've come to the right place. Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool that allows you to easily manage and deploy tracking codes, and it's pretty straightforward to add to your Hostinger site. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to have an account with Google Tag Manager. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up by going to the Google Tag Manager website and clicking on Start for free. Once you've signed in with your Google account, you'll need to set up a new container. Think of a container as a bucket that holds all your tracking tags for your website. You'll be prompted to name your container. Use your website's name to keep things organized. Select Web as the platform and then click on Create. Now, with your container set up, you'll receive a chunk of code. This code is what you need to add to your Hostinger website. Head over to your Hostinger control panel and log into your account. Navigate to your website by clicking on Manage next to the domain you wish to add Google Tag Manager to. Here comes the important part. You need to access the File Manager. Under Website, you'll see the option for File Manager. Go ahead and click on that. Within the File Manager, look for the public HTML directory. This is where your website's files are located. You need to find the file named index.html or index.php, depending on your setup. Open this file for editing. Once opened, you'll want to locate the head section of your HTML file. This is where you'll paste the first part of the Google Tag Manager code, right beneath the opening head tag to ensure it loads correctly as your website opens. Next, go back to your Google Tag Manager account where you received the code, and grab the second piece of code. This needs to be placed immediately after the opening body tag within the same file. Once both pieces of code are embedded, save your changes and close the File Manager. Now, it's time to check if everything is functioning correctly. Return to Google Tag Manager and click on Preview. Enter your website's URL and click Connect, allowing the tool to check for successful integration. You should see a pop-up confirmation if everything's in place. This is an excellent opportunity to see if your tags fire correctly and ensure your setup is successful. And there you go! You've now successfully integrated Google Tag Manager with your Hostinger website. This setup will empower you to track visitor interactions and analyze data without disrupting your website's performance. Make sure to periodically check your tags to ensure they're firing as expected. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.